Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to deploy the DeepSeek R17B large language model onto a YY3588 development board. I'll walk you through the entire process from downloading the model and configuring the environment, all the way to interacting with the AI. First step, getting the model. We'll head over to the Hugging Face website, find the model page for DeepSeek R17B, and download the model files locally. Now, let's switch back to the host terminal to complete the setup and deployment. Before we start, make sure you've set up the development environment on your host machine according to the instructions in the screenshot. All of these commands and the code that follows can be copied directly from our official wiki. Once you can run conda vi and see the version number, you'll know the environment is good to go and we can continue. Next, we'll create a dedicated conda environment for this project using Python 3.10 and then activate it. After activating the new environment, the next step is to install all the necessary dependencies. We'll use a single pip command to install them in a batch. With the environment ready, it's time for the core step, model conversion. We'll use the DeepSeek R17B model as our example and run the conversion script provided. This will convert the original model into an LLM file format, which is optimized for high performance on the NPU. This process will take some time, so please be patient. Once it's done, we'll use addb shell to access the development board's command line, run the test program to load the model, and push the libraries, the demo, and the converted model onto the board. After these steps, the DeepSeek large language model is up and running on the YY3588 board. Let's test it out. We'll ask it the first question: who are you? It smoothly introduces itself as a large language model developed by DeepSeek AI. The response is quick and accurate. Now for a more open-ended question. While we wait, let's switch to the monitoring window to check the real-time NPU load. To ensure the model conversion completes successfully, we recommend having at least 32 gigabytes of memory on your host machine. After a short wait, it provides a systematic learning suggestion. The logic is clear and the content is quite detailed, and all of this was computed independently on this tiny development board. Alright, so by following all these steps, we've successfully deployed and run the DeepSeek large language model on the high-performance YY3588 embedded development board. If you're interested in this project or run into any issues during the process, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below.